What's up, guys? It's your girl Chocolate Curls, also known as Amari Elisa on Instagram and Twitter. And today's video is going to be all about this color, how I achieved this look. I decided to go purple for 2020, or did I? I kind of told Instagram a really small lie, and I'm basically going to tell them that I dyed my hair purple. I mean, it looks believable. They're going to believe it. They may not, but I made a post yesterday saying that I wanted to dye my hair, which I do. I really do. But if I did, I just don't think I would go with purple. I'm more of like a auburn or red type of girl. And then a few posts later, I posted like this. I basically posted some semi-permanent dye and some permanent dye and stated that it's coloring time to kind of give them the idea that I'm going to permanently color my hair. I think they'll believe it, but what I'm going to just go ahead and do is post my colorful hair. I took this selfie. It came out really cute. I think they're going to believe it, but we'll see. This is the color dyes that I posted on Instagram. Some red and some blue dye. So I went ahead and just made the picture black and white because I'm not coloring my hair red and blue. Also, if I was to get my hair colored, truth be told, I wouldn't do it myself. I would go to a professional to have my hair colored. I'm gonna post it and I'm gonna keep you updated on what Instagram says, and then I'll follow up by just showing you guys how I really colored my hair using some hair wax, some hair coloring wax from Mofa Jane or I really did it, but don't nobody gotta know that. Well, they'll find out when they watch this video. Here's the post, and I put new year, new hair color. So share it. Here goes nothing. Share. Oh. And now that the fun's over, I'm going to show you guys how it really was done. I started on some freshly washed hair just because, and boom, I got my color. In this order, I will be using a spray bottle with water, my TGIN Green Tea Super Moist leave-in conditioner. I love this leave-in conditioner. Next, I'm going to use my Curl Enhancing Smoothie by Shea Moisture. It's the coconut and hibiscus line. I also love this. And last but not least, my color. I got this from Shop on Fly. It's really affordable and the color is super vibrant, as you can see. Listen, this is all I use, and I got that pop-in color. As always, if you know, I always start my hair by putting it in 4 sections. I feel that the easiest way for me to do my hair is to do it a section at a time. Then I like to split up those sections and kind of go row by row in my hair. So just get you some clips and put a good 3 sections in your hair to make 4 individual sections. This process is really a lot simpler than you may think. I'm just going to go in with my spray bottle on my damp hair. The products slip on my hair a lot easier when my hair is wet. This leave-in conditioner here has great slip, and I feel like it really moisturizes my hair, which is why I decided to go in with this specific leave-in first. I'm not going to go too in-depth on how to apply the products because I have a million videos on my channel of how I apply my products. I'm going to put a video down below on how to do that. But next I'm going to go with my Curl Enhancing Smoothie. This is going to help give me that curl definition before I put on my wax. As you can see, I'm so happy Shea Moisture sent me another one of those because it is literally one of my favorite products. If you watch my wash and go video, you'll see that I've used that product before. And that's basically all I'm going to do. First, I'm going to go throughout every section of my head applying water, my leave-in, and then my curl cream. Do this throughout your entire head, and then we're going to talk about applying some color. I feel like this step is crucial because you should always moisturize your hair before any style. I don't care if you're going to go get a protective style. It is important to moisturize your hair. You wouldn't do it in this fashion, but you would definitely add some products to get some moisture. And this is basically how my hair is going to look before the color, super moisturized, kind of defined, and then I'm going to go in with my purple. Once again, I'm going to do my hair in 4 sections, and I really just put on the moisture first. I could have just did the moisture and then added the color, but I just feel like it gets really messy using this stuff, so you kind of want to do all of your moisture at once and then do all of your coloring at once, if that makes sense. Also, the same as before, I'm going to apply that color to row by row in my 4 sections. This color is super creamy and it is very, very curl defining. I mean, like, it doesn't matter how much you put on. You may want to start with a little bit and then work your way with more product as you put it on to kind of see how vibrant you want your color. But as you can see, I did not even put too much on, and this color is already popping, and it slips on the hair so nicely. You could think of this hair wax as like a third moisturizer or like a third curl cream, like something else that you're putting on top of your curl cream, because it really defines my curls. And it also doesn't make my hair hard or anything like that. It doesn't get stiff with the color on it. Like, I'm telling you, it's just like another moisturizer or something right on top of your other moisturizers. Go in section by section and try and penetrate those strands and just put on as much color as you want, like your desired color. Look at the definition from this wax. Like, it's just a hair wax, and look at it. I know YouTube videos always make things seem easier than they are, but I promise y'all, this is really just like applying 4 products into your hair: water, leave-in, curl cream, and then a wax. Just go ahead and penetrate those strands. I have a wash and go video showing you all how to really work that product into your hair, but that's all you're really going to do for this color. I wanted to give it a very realistic look because, of course, I was trying to prank Instagram or whatever. So when I applied this color, I made sure to really cover my roots up. I mean, I didn't go all the way to the scalp, just about, but I really made sure to get it as close to my roots as possible and make sure that you don't see too much black going on. And even when you're applying this color, you don't have to put too much on, because once it dries, the color is like 3 times as vibrant as it is when it's dark. I mean, like, when it's wet, it's 3 times more vibrant. So as you saw in the beginning of the video, my hair was a lot brighter and more vibrant after my hair was able to dry. Also, as the hair dries, or as my hair dries, my curls will also become more defined. I'm not sure why, but that's just how it works with this wax. As you can see, my hair is really defined. It's more defined than it was when I used the curl cream, for sure. And you see all this purple around my edges. I don't really mind with the color being on my edges so much, or putting it so close to my scalp, because this product washes out very easily. Like, it doesn't take much to get the product off of your skin, not like a traditional dye. As you can see, I'm just going to be using a dry cloth, and the color is already coming off, and once I put a little bit of water on it, it's going to come off even quicker and even easier. I only used 1 wash. Like, I washed my hair 1 time to remove this product, and it was gone. Like, I had no issues. So this is another reason why I go for the wax versus really dyeing my hair. But this marks the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you enjoyed this video. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social medias. I'll go ahead and add those below. I hope you enjoyed. Love you.